Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here, out here at the Avon Park Field.
Hi.
We're going to take up the OMP Hobby Bighorn. Got her in mid-range, which is 70% throws over a 30% expo. I just seem to like that better. It's got plenty of deflection, plenty of movement. Wind is stupid, but yeah, plenty of movement on them ailerons, or them control surfaces at 70%. Plenty. But this is just a great plane. Definitely can fly 3D if you want to put 100% throws on there. And man, you talk about control surface movement. It's got big, oversized control surfaces. So
landing flaps.
I tell you what though, she'll slow right down for you too. You put them landing flaps in like I got right now, and she'll slow right down. Of course, the wind is really bad, so I'm just windsurfing right now. So, which is fun.
Time remaining 5 minutes. Flaps up.
But the wind is a little changing directions on me, and pretty strong, about 10 mile an hour or more. Gust up to 15, and these light little planes, that's not exactly all that fun. All right, let's see if we can't get a landing with this wind. Oh gosh, come on wind, give me a break. Weather Channel said 5 mile an hour out of the southeast. Well, okay. Apparently not where I'm at. Okay. That was fun. Unplanned, but fun. But sometimes it's good to fly in wind. I mean, it can be nerve-wracking, you know, but it's excellent for teaching you your motor skills and your thumb muscle memory, because you have to constantly correct, constantly adjust for that wind. And the idea is you never want to overcorrect, and it's so easy to overcorrect. And when you overcorrect, usually that's why crashes happen. People overcorrect and they panic. And the next thing you know, they're got a crash plane. They're thinking, ah, stupid plane, this hobby sucks, you know. And all it is just they got too rambunctious and they overcorrected and they panicked. And there's no need for that. The last thing you want to do is panic. Just relax, relax. Small corrections, small inputs on the sticks, you know. You have to be ready for things, that's for sure. Definitely want to keep, you know, stay frosty, as they say. You know, keep your attention on it. But don't panic. Relax, relax. Relax your movements.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
You know, you're not in a competition here. You're not trying to do some incredible, perfect precision anything when you're out here just trying to learn and have a good time. That's why you're here. If this model stresses you out, then why on earth are you doing it? Relax. Easy, small corrections, you know. There we go. That wasn't a perfect landing, but there ain't no damage, I can tell you that. Here we go. The whole point of this hobby is to come out here, enjoy yourself, make a memory, share it with a friend or a family member, you know, a loved one, you know, and just enjoy yourself. That is the reason we do any kind of a hobby. If you're not enjoying it, then why are you doing it? Me, I'm just nuts about planes. I'm crazy about this hobby. I really am. I just absolutely eat it up. I look forward to flying. I look forward to have the opportunity to come out here and fly. A little knife edge here. I fell out of it, you know. But and I just can't wait. And when I haven't been able to fly for a few days or a few weeks, like I haven't flown in 2 weeks, and I'm just absolutely beside myself. My wife is like, go fly, just get out of here, go fly, go leave us alone, because you need to go fly. And I do. It's like a stress, it's a huge stress relief for me. See that right there? When you come in, not a little more of a ploppy landing, but still a good landing. Nice scale takeoff there. This is a balsa and pine plane with I don't know what kind of coating they have on. If it's monocoat, clear coat, or whatever it is. It's whatever kind of Econo coat. I don't know. It's whatever OMP uses on their planes. This is a 3-cell plane. I'm running a Spectrum 3200 Smart Pack in her, and she's got an AR 620 antennaless receiver in her, so there's no kind of gyro or stabilization of any type. Well, wind right across the runway. Whoa, whoa. Hey, I saved it. You know what I did? I took my eyes off the plane to look at the flag, and that was stupid of me. Oh, that was so stupid of me. I could have lost my plane. Luckily, I didn't panic and saved her. Pulled up out of there. This is where you... Hey, all right. Man. All right, I gotta shake this off. The only way to do that is to go out and take her up and land her again. Kind of have a positive experience. That was stupid of me. I took my eyes off to look at the flag. Never take your eyes off the plane if you can all help it. And I was in a bad spot. Oh man, that could have been really, really bad. And I have had a couple planes go down over there, and that is a booger bear to get out. There's a big pit there. This used to be a landfill at one time. All right, folks, I turned to look and see how these flags were in that wind direction, and the wind caught my plane and I almost lost her. All right, folks, and that'd been bad because nothing flies like balsa, but nothing crashes like balsa either. Because when they crash, it's spectacular. I mean, I'm serious. When these suckers crash, I mean, they go everywhere. There's just pieces of it all over the runway or wherever you end up at, right? So, yeah, balsa flies great and crash is better. So, motor off. Buddy, I'm sorry I put you through that. All right, folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Y'all have a good one. Woo! I gotta shake this off. Bye-bye. God bless y'all.